Congress President Rahul Gandhi, Sonia ji, and all the Congress workers who have toiled very hard during these elections, 5 state elections. So all the congressmen as well as women, I congratulate them for the work that they have done. And as far as Goa is concerned, we are working very hard, all Congress people, and we are going to stress on 3 issues. That is economic crisis, which we are seeing all over India as well as in Goa. आता तुम्ही म्हाका विचारतले इकॉनॉमिक क्रायसिस पडला सांगतात गोव्यात म्हणटा सांगपाक कितें 50 वर्ष 5 decades mining industry was going smoothly. Last March mining industry एकदम बंद पडली. हजारां लोक they were out of jobs. Right now they are protesting in Delhi. They are protesting in Ram Leela Maidan, and they'll be shifting to Jantar Mandir very soon, on 12th. Now, it's not only that our people are protesting there. Present ministers from the governing, who are governing us, that is the BJP ministers, or their allies, they have also going to show this solidarity with those people who are protesting there. आता म्हाका सांगात सेंट्रलाक राज कोणाचे आसा बीजेपीचे, गोंयाक राज्य कोणाचे आसा बीजेपीचे, आणि आमचेच बीजेपीचे मिनिस्टर्स आणि त्यांचे अलायज तांकां वचून थंय मेळटा. This itself shows that no one is listening to our ministers. They are cared damn. They have not been heard. खूप फाटी आमकां सांगण्यात आयलें की आमी डेलिगेशन व्हयलें प्रायम मिनिस्टरा कडेन, आमी ह्या मिनिस्टराक मेळ्ळे. But what is the outcome? Today all hundreds of people have gone to Delhi to protest because nothing could be done by the ministers, present ministers of BJP or the allies who were supporting them. They could not do anything, and now they have gone there to show this solidarity. So we question on that. This itself shows how the economic crisis is increasing. Not only that, there's another industry, another factory, Sanjeevani factory, साखर कारखाना, तो बंद पडलेलो आसा. आता ताका लागून आत्ता ऑफिसात इलेक्शन लागीं आयलें म्हटल्यार ऑफिसात थंय वता आनी थंय वचून ते कितें सर्टिफिकेट घेवन येवपाचें आसा पोल्युशनाक लागून, पोल्युशन बोर्डा कडल्यान, आनी मागीर ते सुरू करता. अरे तोपर्यंत कितें? Farmers are facing the problem. So economic crisis is like this. Agrarian crisis is there in Goa. It's all over India. But at the same time, I'm just highlighting the crisis, agrarian crisis of Goa. सगळ्या देशभर agrarian crisis असा म्हणून हजारांनो farmers रस्त्यावर आयलेले आसात. हजारांनो प्रत्येक स्टेटात farmers are facing the problem. आमच्या गोंयाचे थोडेशे लोक जे कितें उत्पन्न काडटात नॉर्थ गोंयांतले साऊथ गोंयांतले म्हणा शुगर केनचे, ते सुद्दां तेंचे आतां वचूंक शकना कित्याक संजीवनी कारखानो बंद पडलेलो आसा. थर्ड पॉयंट which I want to highlight again is unemployment. Our youths are facing the unemployment problem. So these are the 3-4 things which we are going to highlight. And because they are facing the unemployment problem, they are being diverted to somewhere for easy money. And this is the real problem that we are going to face in future also. हम कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत करेंगे. आम्ही म्हणना भारत काँग्रेस बीजेपी मुक्त, पण आम्ही असे म्हणटा आम्ही काँग्रेस युक्त भारत करतले. आमकां काँग्रेस जाय, आम्ही कोणाचे मुक्त विक्त म्हणना, पण आमकां काँग्रेस युक्त भारत जाय. आणि आमकां आमचे भारतीय जे सगळे आमचे जे काँग्रेसमॅन जे आसा पळय, they will bring uniformity, they will bring without any divisive things, they will try to rule the country.